So when I'm working on any project, I generally follow this 3-step pattern. In the first step, I do my research, that what is the client requirement, what I have to build, what are the feature and functionality you want to have in the applications, what are the tools and technology I'm going to utilize for building that features. That's the first stage. The second stage is that I try to find out the relevant code base. So if clients come up to me and he wants me to build a e-commerce website, then I'm going to find out the resources related to the e-commerce site, that what are the features I can include, what are the relevant code base exists, what are the repositories are already there, which is good, which I can use in my project. I will also look for the template which I'm going to utilize it, whether I have to code it from scratch, or maybe the client has its own template which we have to build. Then definitely we will build that, but we're going to charge a high amount. So that's the second stage. And in the third stage, I'll try to build the project. So that's the 3 stage I follow. First, I try to take the information that what he wants and what are the technology I want to include. Then I do my research based on the technology, find out the relevant course base. And third, I develop. So these are the 3 stages I follow. And after that comes the testing and the security part, which I also consider in the third step, because that's where I do all the development. So once I'm done with the entire application and its functionality, that application is working fine, then I move to the optimizations. I look at the variable which I have included, the function which I have included, that what impact it's creating on the base of the performance, like whether it's taking too much time from fetching the data or I can do something better. That's all optimization I do. And after that, I move to the security. I generally take like 4 weeks during the testing if it's a big application, but if it's a small application, then we deliver in a week. So that's what strategy I follow when I have to build any project. And that's what you have to follow. Again, I'm telling you, that's what you have to follow. Always try to find out the relevant resource. The moment you start doing that, you will have a lot of options, a lot of ideas, and you will have a lot of ways to design the application. So that's the ultimate strategy I follow when I'm working on any project. So if you haven't checked all the projects which we have built on the channel, I follow the same architecture. First, we focus on the business logic, then we'll focus on the UI part, then we'll focus on the smart contract, then backend technology we're going to use it, then how we're going to use and connect the smart contract with the blockchain, whether we have to use the third-party provider or we have to use the Ether.js package or Web3.js or any other provider for the wallet. So everything, that's all comes under the part of the research. So that's what you have to do before you write a single piece of code. Just do all the resource and that will help you a lot. So this is my 3-step strategy. Do let me know your 3-step strategy, that what strategy you follow when you work on any project. Let me know in the comment section. Have a wonderful day. Bye.